What if the future of the internet no longer required you to open dozens of apps, browse endless websites, or click through pages of links, but instead gave you exactly what you need in one intelligent conversation? This is precisely how AI-powered search is reshaping the digital world, quietly replacing traditional apps and websites with a faster, smarter, and more personalized experience. Unlike classic search engines that simply list links and force users to do the work, AI-powered search systems understand intent, context, and goals, delivering direct answers, summaries, actions, and recommendations in real time. Instead of opening a travel app, users can ask AI to plan an entire trip, compare prices, book tickets, and adjust schedules dynamically. Instead of visiting multiple news sites, AI search can summarize global events instantly, tailored to your interests and location. In countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, consumers are rapidly shifting toward conversational search experiences that save time and reduce cognitive overload. Businesses are adapting as AI search agents now act as intermediaries, choosing which services to use, which products to recommend, and which content gets surfaced, fundamentally changing digital marketing, SEO, and online visibility. Traditional apps are being unbundled into capabilities, while AI becomes the unified interface that connects everything behind the scenes. E-commerce is transforming as AI search compares products, negotiates prices, tracks preferences, and completes purchases without users ever visiting a storefront website. Productivity tools are also being absorbed, with AI handling email, documents, scheduling, research, and data analysis through a single intelligent layer. This shift raises major questions about control, transparency, and competition, as power moves from individual platforms to AI-driven ecosystems. At the same time, it unlocks enormous benefits: accessibility for non-technical users, reduced friction, and a more human-like way of interacting with technology. Over the next decade, websites and apps will not disappear, but they will fade into the background, becoming infrastructure rather than destinations, while AI-powered search becomes the primary gateway to the digital world. The internet is no longer something we browse, it's something we talk to, and that change is redefining how information, services, and decisions flow in everyday life.